Unions representing Canada's public servants say the government's ordered job cuts will be felt right across the country by those losing their jobs and by Canadians who will lose frontline services. 28 federal departments got notice today, and Laurie Graham has details.
40% of the federal public service is in the National Capital Region. That translates into more than 116,000 jobs, and today, thousands of them were declared redundant.
That's not fair. I know people that are losing their job. It's terrible.
But it's not only about people losing jobs. Unions are warning the layoffs will have an impact on frontline services provided to Canadians. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency will lose 344 positions, including about 100 inspectors, bringing the number back to levels before the deadly listeriosis outbreak in 2008.
Over 80% of the stuff that's on our store shelves today comes from somewhere else, and we're just not inspecting that to the level that Canadians would expect.
More than 1,100 positions will be cut from Canada Border Services Agency, about a third of them frontline positions. Veteran Affairs will lose 261 jobs, including 75 client service agents.
Those people are the first point of contact to veterans. They're the experts.
And 1,043 jobs at Health Canada will disappear, 558 from the Public Health Agency. Health Canada says the actual number of jobs lost will be smaller.
We are making some reductions in the health portfolio to ensure that we are using Canadian taxpayers' dollars wisely. And again, my top priority is to also ensure that frontline health services is protected.
The jobs could be any place in the organization, but frontline services are going to be affected.
And in this round of cuts, seniority doesn't count. Back in 2003, unions gave up that right. And now, employees are faced with competing for the few jobs available, even if they've been doing the job for years.
That's got to put a lot of stress on a lot of people, eh? You know, you've done your job for so many years, now you got to compete for it again?
But the government says it's following the contract.
This is a difficult process for people who are losing their employment, and at the end of the day, it still is the right thing to do, but we have to be fair about it.
Most of the people affected are here in Ottawa, but across the country, hundreds of other public sector employees also received notice today that their jobs are in jeopardy. Laurie Graham, CBC News, Ottawa.